Now that you've had a chance to go and see if you understand the work, let me explain the test you're understanding to you. This is one term, so I'm going to look at signs, numbers, letters. The cube root of a positive is positive. I then look at my numbers. The cube root of 64 is 4. I will write down my base and I will divide exponents. 12 divided by 3 will give me 4. So that's 4x to the 4. I write down my base, y cubed, and I divide exponents. This is the cube root, so I divide by 3, and this will give me 1, so that is y to the 1, or just y. So that equals 4x to the 4y. Let's look at the second one. Right, this is still one term, but I've got to first find out my square root of that, and then I multiply by 3. So that's our plan. Okay, so I'm going to copy down what I'm not using. I have two terms underneath the square root, but remember, you cannot separate them and square root them independently. So I've got to see if these are like terms, which in fact they are, because they both belong to the y to the 4 family. So I write down my y to the 4. I'm then going to say 9 plus 16 is 25, and I must find the square root of 25y to the 4. So 3 multiplied by, again I'm going to do signs, numbers, letters. There's a positive here, so my answer will be positive. The square root of 25 will be 5. Y, I'm going to say 4 divided by 2, because this is a square root, y squared. Now I still have one term, so I must still do signs, numbers, letters. A positive times a positive is positive. 3 times 5 is 15, and y squared. Please will you make sure you do exercise 6.9